Basic Science Year 8. Topic: Materials and their common uses. Wood and metal. Hello there, I'm Mr. Chuku. I'm here to teach you an interesting lesson about different materials and what they are used for. These materials are useful items for constructing buildings. You might have seen some of them before, or not, but I'm sure you'll be amazed at some of their properties and their functions too. Let's begin by studying a few of them. Are you ready to learn something new? Well then, here we go. Building materials are used for construction purposes. Many natural occurring substances such as clay, sand, wood, and rocks, even twigs and leaves have been used to construct buildings. Apart from naturally occurring materials, many man-made products are in use. Some are heavily processed industrially, while some are less industrially made. Bricks are man-made, and so is plaster, concrete, and many other materials. However, they are usually made out of natural materials. Bricks being a good example. They are based on clay. Steel is based on natural types of iron. Wood is a product of trees and sometimes other fibrous plants used for construction purposes when cut or pressed into timber, such as boards, planks, and similar materials. It is a generic building material and it is used in building just about any type of structure in most climates. Wood can be very flexible under loads, keeping strength while bending. There are many different qualities to the different types of wood, even among same tree species. This means specific species of trees are better suited for various uses of wood than others. And growing conditions are important for deciding the quality of wood produced. Timber is a term used for construction purposes. Raw wood, such as a log or trunk, becomes timber when the wood has been converted. Conversion means that wood is sawn, hewn, and split. In the forms of processed logs stacked on top of each other. The main problems with timber are fire risk and moisture-related problems. In modern times, softwood is used as a cheaper material, whereas hardwood is usually used for finishings and furniture. Many families or communities in rural areas have personal plots or hectares of land where trees are planted for timber and fuel. It is from these that the family or community will grow and harvest trees to build with or sell. These land spaces are tended to like a garden to ensure there will be a supply of timber. Metal is also a useful material in building constructions. It is used as a structural framework for larger buildings such as skyscrapers or as an external surface covering. There are many types of metals used for building. Metal figures can be seen used in most cities in the world. It requires a lot of human labor to produce metal, especially in large amounts needed for the building industries. Corrosion is metal's major problem when you think about its lifespan. Let's learn facts about some metals. Steel is a metal alloy. Its major component is iron, and it is the usual choice for metal structural building materials. It is strong, flexible, and if refined well and treated, it lasts a long time. Copper is a highly valued building material because of its advantageous properties. These include resistance to corrosion, strength, lightweight, lightning protection, and a wide range of other uses. Copper is used in roofing, gutters, vaults, wall cladding, building expansion joints, and indoor design elements. Other metals used include chrome, gold, silver, and titanium. Titanium can be used for structural purposes, but it is much more expensive than steel. Chrome, gold, and silver are used as decoration because these materials are expensive and lack structural qualities such as strength or hardness. And that's how far the lesson goes. I hope you can remember all of the interesting things we have learned in the lesson. Well, Let's help ourselves with a few reminders. A. Building materials are used for construction purposes. B. Many natural occurring substances such as clay, sand, wood, and rocks, even twigs and leaves have been used to construct buildings. C. Bricks are man-made, and so is plaster, concrete, and many other materials. D. Wood is a product of trees and sometimes other fibrous plants used for construction purposes when cut or pressed into timber such as boards, planks, and similar materials. E. Timber is a term used for construction purposes. F. Raw wood such as a log or trunk becomes timber when the wood has been converted. G. Many families or communities in rural areas have personal plots or nectares of land where trees are planted for timber and fuel. H. Metal is used as a structural framework for larger buildings such as skyscrapers or as an external surface covering. Great! It is time for me to know how well you understood the lesson. Let's start with some questions. Number 1. What is the main purpose of building materials? Yes, that's correct. Building materials are used for construction purposes. Number 2. What kind of building material is best for constructing larger buildings such as skyscrapers? You are absolutely correct. Metal is a useful material in building constructions like this. That was an interesting lesson. I look forward to the next lesson. Well, see you then. Bye.